Yeah, everything is fine, friends.
Yes, fine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so if I'm using Java 8 feature to iterate, what is that? Map collection. People can get that point, or shall I explain that one also?
Yes, sir, we can get.
Okay, so here what is that? Get all is there, right? Dot. I'm using what for age, right? For age method. Inside that, what we will use lambda expression I'm using, right? Lambda expression I'm using. Here I'm taking what is that key comma value. Key comma value. After then what I'm taking here now system dot out dot println. Println, right? Println. Inside that, let's take what is that? Let's print our what is that? Key
Plus.
yeah, key plus value. Okay, so just I'm printing this one only, right? So now first time what will happen now? The data will store in the database, right? First time what will happen? Data will store in the database. Second time what will happen now? Second time what will happen now? It will call that, right? It will we are fetching the data to see that record. Now I'm running this one. Now see if data is not stored in the cache, sorry, Redis cache, then how we are getting this data? See, it's printing or not 103 record,
Yes, sir.
right? 103
Yes.
and 102 and 103, right? Pankaj, Sandeep, Manjulata, right? It's printing or not? Previously just storing only.
It's printing.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if
Yes.
you if you want to see that this data is storing in the Redis cache or somewhere else, 1 minute, I'll show that one also, right? What I'm doing now, I'm stopping the Redis cache, right? Sorry, Redis database, Control C. Redis database is stopped now, friends. Come on.
Yes, stop.
Now,
Yes, yes.
now let's run our application. Now run our application again. Right click, run Spring Boot application. We will get exception. See what we are getting now. See this illegal state exception, failed to execute command line, right? Failed to execute command line. What is the purpose? Why it's failing now? Why it's failing now? See, call the runner. Yeah, it's a failing, right? It's a failing because of what is that? Database is not there, right? Database is, it's hitting the database, right? It's trying to open the database, but Redis cache, see, Redis connection latitude proxy is failing, right? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, written caused by unable to connect.
Yeah,
to
so
Redis.
yeah, so now you guys clear about that? It's connecting with our Redis database only, na? Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, I'm running again our Redis database. Now our Redis database is up now. Now come in our application. Now I want, what is that? I want to remove what is that? Let's take this 103 record, right? 103. So just what is that? This record is what? Let's take before. Here I'm writing before what is that? Deleting or removing data, right? So these are the before removing the data. These are the, yeah, here let's print here before removing the data, right? Now after this record, what we will do it now? Let's yeah,
After removing data.
after removing data, right? After removing data, here what I'm going to do now? Yeah, okay, here itself only. Let's take here itself only. So here I'm calling dot remove
Delete.
employee, right? And here what is that? Which
Yeah.
ID number? 103. Let's take 103, right? 103, and again what we will do it now, let's call the same method again, right here.
Yes.
Now call the same method. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, let's run again our
Run.
see this. Previously how many records are there? 3 records. Now how many
3.
records are there? 2 records only. After
2
removing
records.
how many? 101 and 102 only, right? And what is that?
Yes.
103 data is
Yes,
gone,
yes.
right? After
Yes.
then what
Yes.
is that? Okay, let's what we will do it now, let's modify, right? Let's modify what is that, which data? Sandeep, right? Sandeep or Pankaj, anyone. Okay, let's take Sandeep to modified now, right? So what I'm going to do now, control Z1. After modify data, right? After modify data, let's again copy this one, paste it. After then what we will do it now, we will call that, what is that? DAO dot, what is that? Modify method we took na.
Update it. Check.
No,
Put
D
update.
modify employee, right? Now here I'm taking what is that employee, which employee we are going to modify now, which employee we are going to modify now? Sandeep, right? So let's take new employee, let's take 102, right? And let's take name as a Sandeep only, right? And the salary just I'm modifying, right? 500 is just make this one as a 1000, right? 1000, that's it. Okay, now what I'm doing now, let's run
Okay.
it. Let's run our application. Now in this time after modification, how much salary it will becoming Sandeep salary now, friends?
Updated now.
Means whatever operation we did, everything is working perfectly or not?
Yes,
Updation of the
Updation, right? So please keep in the brain, friends. Okay, now just what we did now, just in memory database operation we done, right? Now let's stop the session. Tomorrow we will complete these two, right? With these two, and this one is very important concept in what is that Redis, because this is the basic things, setup and all those things. For that setup
Yes,
purpose,
yeah.
for the setup and the testing purpose only I given, right? I given, but the in the real time, what is that? This cache manager only we are using the Redis database, right? Using the Redis. So this one is the more important, and tomorrow we will continue, and we will complete tomorrow as a, what is that, our Redis concept, right? Shall we?
Okay.
Yeah, right, Ravi, right.
Yeah, so how our explanation today now, friends? Okay, so now,
Nice.
okay guys, so
Super.
okay, so bye bye.
Good one, sir.
Okay, so let's meet.
Every session is a good one.
Okay guys, okay, so tomorrow we will continue. Okay friends, let's stop the session, we will meet tomorrow. See you, friends.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.